What do you have for your dinner tonight? Hari ini
Yes,
teman-teman makan pakai apa?
tempe kering.
Tempe kering. Oke. How about the others? Yang lain?
Pakai
Hmm?
I'm dinner with sambelan.
Sambelan. What is the side dish? Lauknya apa? Chicken or fish?
Jengkol.
tempe and spinach.
Oh, tempe and spinach. That's really nice. Okay. That's really nice to hear that you have already got your dinner. Well, everyone, as I told you yesterday, it means that today is time for us
Hmm.
to share about our daily routine. Nah,
Hmm.
before we share about our daily routine, we have some of the chit chat topics to discuss. So I'm going to choose Sis Pauzia. Are you there, Sis Pauzia?
Yes.
Hello. Okay. Sis Sis Pauzia, are you there? Hello. Hello, Sis Pauzia. Can you unmute?
Aja.
Di tasnya ada? Di dalam tas ada nggak?
Saya bagus.
Hello, Sis Pauzia. There is no.
Iya.
Okay, Sis Pauzia, I'm going to ask you, what is your morning routine? Do you have any morning routines? Apakah Sis Pauzia punya kebiasaan yang dilakukan di pagi hari? If yes, what is that?
Sorry, saya belum tahu apa.
Oh, oke. Ya udah, Bro Pujo Suparyogo. Bro Pujo, can you hear my voice, Bro Pujo? Can you unmute it, please? Wait.
Iya,
Okay.
I use this.
Okay, Bro Pujo, do you have morning routines? What is your
Iya,
morning routines?
usually I wake up
Mm-mm.
at the night at 2:30,
Mm.
and then go to pray, go to the
Mm.
mass. After
Okay.
that, we go at 6, maybe at 6, but
Mm-hmm.
6, I have breakfast, and
Mm-hmm.
then about 7, I
Yes.
go for a walk with my friends,
Oh,
and
okay.
then
Mm-hmm.
go take a bath about 8, and watching TV, and and so on and so on.
And
I
so
think
on.
so.
Okay. Okay. Then for the next one is about um what do you usually do in a break time of your work?
Break time.
Mm-mm. Jadi kalau
You
waktunya
just,
istirahat kerja, Bro Pujo ngapain?
oh, watching TV, or reading a book,
Mm-mm.
and then hang out, and
Mm-mm.
then speaking with neighbors, and I think so.
Oh,
Sis, thank you.
you have a break time of your work. Istirahat kerja bisa ngobrol sama tetangga, nonton
It's
TV.
okay. I doing my doing at home, so we
Oh,
can
you do at
outside the home.
home.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, I guess that you come to the office.
No, I know at no office. I have an
Mm-hmm.
office. My office
Okay,
is my house.
that's great. Enak
Yeah.
dong. You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need
No,
to have
if stay at
another
home,
cost. Mm-mm.
no.
Mm. You don't need to spend the cost for buy the petrol and others. Nggak perlu keluarin biaya untuk beli bensin dan lain
Yeah.
sebagainya.
Okay, yes, thank you.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Uh-huh. Are you a businessman?
No, I am a gardener. This.
Oh, okay. That's really nice. What do you
Yeah.
plan?
Ben, oh, yeah, yeah, in my house there is a garden. We plant like
Mm-hmm.
tomato, chili, and then eggplant and
Mm-hmm.
others. I think so.
Okay.
So
But how could you can speak English? Kok bisa bahasa Inggris? What for is your English?
yes, yes. I have daughter. My daughter uh, has two sons.
Mm-mm.
Her her family usually speak in English. So I
Okay.
am nggak mau ketinggalan gitu. So
Okay. You don't want to left behind. Left behind itu ketinggalan.
left behind.
Left behind.
Left
Heeh.
behind. Thank you.
Left behind.
Thank you,
Okay,
sis.
that's
Yes.
really great, Bro Puja. And then what do you like to
Alhamdulillah.
do before going to sleep? Your
Oh,
night routine. Hmm.
and routine. Before
Night.
go to sleep at
Yaps.
night.
What do you hmm.
Yes. We reading the
We
uh
read
we read the surat apa ya? Al-Muluk
later.
first.
Oh,
Iya,
oh,
later.
surah Al-Quran ya.
Ya,
Okay, Al-Mulk surah and then
Al-Muluk. And then we has take wudu ya, do first
mm-hmm.
and then before that we are watching TV, especially
Mm-hmm.
it is just playing football
Okay. What is
and
your favorite club?
no, yo dulu ya, yang dulu.
Oh,
Ya,
dulu ya.
right now
Uh,
udah pensiun.
oh, udah pensiun.
Iya.
Okay, that's really nice, Bro Puja. Really, you have
Iya,
a
thank
really
you.
nice
You too.
activities in your
You too.
retired time. Okay. Thank you.
You're
Okay.
welcome.
Next, for the next one, I'm going to call the other one. It belongs to Bri. I don't know how could it be. I can I call you Bri or BRI? BRI atau siapa ini? BR
Bri,
Bri.
sis.
Oke.
Ya,
Sis Bri ya.
ya.
Dari kemarin saya baca ini BRI. Siapa ini gitu.
Bang BRI kali.
Iya, makanya BRI join nih. Keren banget. Oke. So Sis Bri, would you like to tell me about what is your morning routine? Do you have any more morning routine?
Yeah. So my morning routine is get up and take a prayer. And
Mm-hmm.
after that, I'm scrolling social media after take a shower.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes I have a breakfast, but sometimes I'm not.
Okay.
So and I go to school. So that's my morning routine.
Oh, are you a teacher?
No, I'm a student.
Oh, you are a student. What class are you?
Yeah, I'm
What class are you, Bri?
in the university.
Oh, university
Yeah,
student.
yeah.
Berarti bukan going to school dong, going to university.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Sorry.
that's great. Are you stay at your home or stay at boarding house?
In home.
In home.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then how about what do you usually do in the break time of your study?
Of course, just scrolling social media.
Mm-hmm. How long do you have the break time during your study?
Mm, 2 hours.
2 hours. Okay.
Yeah.
And then what do you like to do before going to sleep, Sis Bri?
Mm, take a shower
Mm-hmm.
and just scroll social media also.
Oh, do you take a shower at night?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay,
Sometimes.
that's
Yeah.
great. Mm-hmm. Don't always. Jangan
Yeah.
selalu ya.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you Sis Bri for sharing
Yeah,
us about
thank you,
your daily
sis.
routine. Okay,
Sorry,
good
masih
job.
salah.
That's okay. Mhm. Well, everyone, after we chit chat about this kind of our daily activities, we have some of box of vocabularies. The vocabularies is about the activities that we do every day. Start from wake up. Jadi wake up itu adalah bangun, di mana teman-teman bangunnya itu masih matanya aja, masih melek, but you still stay in a bed, on a bed. Tapi teman-teman masih di atas kasur. Tapi kalau get up itu beranjak dari tempat tidur. Get up itu baru bangun dari tempat tidurnya. Itu yang dinamakan dengan get up. Then we have take a bath, take a shower. Jadi boleh pakai take, boleh pakai have. Nggak salah. Take a bath boleh, have a bath boleh. Take a shower boleh, have a shower juga boleh. Dua-duanya artinya sama, yaitu mandi. Bahkan ada yang bilang juga, kalau shower, take a shower itu adalah mandi sekalian shampoan. Gitu. Oke. Next we have a breakfast. Have breakfast yaitu sarapan yang dilakukan di pagi hari. Have brunch itu makan sarapan yang digabung sama makan siang. Sarapan yang digabung sama makan siang. Alias kita makannya jam 11. Itu kan nanggung. Jam-jam makan siang juga. Nah, itu yang namanya brunch. Have lunch yaitu makan siang. Have dinner, makan malam. Nah, kalau sahur, sahur kan makannya di malam hari. Nah, kita bukan pakai dinner, tapi pakainya supper. Supper. Oke. Biasanya dilakukan di bulan Ramadan dan kalau teman-teman ada puasa sunnah juga biasanya sahur ya. So you can say supper. Next, have meeting, yaitu ada rapat. Go to work, pergi bekerja. Go to school, pergi ke sekolah. Jadi setelah kata go to, teman-teman boleh diganti dengan nama tempat yang teman-teman tuju. Kalau teman-teman mau pergi ke rumah sakit, ya just say go to hospital. Kalau teman-teman perginya ke taman, ya just say go to park, go to bank, and others. Good. Then, for the next one, okay. For the next one, we have do homework, yaitu mengerjakan PR, go hangout, nongkrong, watch, menonton, scroll sosial media, berarti scrolling, teman-teman scroll sosial media. And then, wash the dish, mencuci piring, brush your teeth, menyikat gigi, go to bed, pergi tidur, tapi masih siap-siap, belum tidur ya. Go to bed itu persiapan mau tidur, tapi kalau udah tidur berarti sleep. Hit the gym, olahraga di gym. Exercise yaitu olahraga kecil-kecilan. So what should we do? We have to tell about your weekday routines or your weekend routines. Tapi teman-teman belum dapat contoh tentang paragraf yang harusnya teman-teman ceritakan itu seperti apa. Okay. Now I have this one. It belongs to Mr. Miller daily routine. Nah, ini masih ada hubungannya dengan simple present ya dari kemarin. Oke. Jadi ada a TV news reporter itu bertanya kepada Bro Miller untuk menceritakan tentang kegiatannya sehari-hari. Jawab nih sama Mr. Miller. Oke. So I'm going to ask Sis Deborah Sinaga. Halo Sis Deborah. Would you like to help me to translate this paragraph? Sis Deborah? There is no? Okay. Sis Sulastri, how about you? Sis Sulastri, would you like to read this one? Bisa tolong dibaca? Halo, Sis Sulastri?
Okay.
Okay, yuk.
I'm an English teacher and I have a big family. So I have a very busy daily routine. First, I get up every day at 6 o'clock, get washed and dressed, and leave for work by 7:30. I get to school at 8 o'clock. I prepare my lesson and then teach until noon. The other teacher and I always eat lunch and talk together in the teacher's room. I teach again in the afternoon and then I correct my student homework and tests after I get back home. I help my kids with their homework. I have 3 kids in elementary school. Their names are Matthew, John, and Susie. Then I do some exercise, eat dinner with my family, and watch TV before I go to bed at about 10 o'clock. We love to watch travel shows. Finally, I read in bed for a few minutes before I fell asleep.
Oke, thank you.
Bener nggak? Bener nggak, sis?
Bener.
Oh, bener ya.
Nanti kita benerin juga ya. Oke. Next, I see a cute girl here, Mr. Aya. Would you like to read it? Why change to be the father? I asked the children.
Sorry, miss. That's my
Okay.
daughter.
Oh, your daughter.
He like to listening about English course.
Oh, okay.
Okay, what I do? I must translate
Read.
or?
Read.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. Can you tell me where part the last
Oh,
word?
no, you just need to repeat. Start from the first paragraph.
Oh, okay. For the first word. I'm an English teacher and I have a big family, so I have a very busy daily routine. First, I get up every day at 6 o'clock, get washed and dressed, and leave for work by 7:30. Get up school at 8 o'clock. I prepare my lesson and then teach until noon. The other teachers and I always eat lunch and talk together in the teacher's room. I teach again in in the afternoon, and then I correct my student homework and tests. After I get back home, I help my kids with their homework. I have three kids in elementary school. Their name are Matthew, John, and Susie. Then I do some exercise, eat dinner with my family, and watch TV before I go to bed at about 10 o'clock. We love to watch travel show. Finally, I read in bed for a few minutes before I fall asleep. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Aya.
You're
Okay.
welcome.
So, well, everyone, your friends has already read for you. This paragraph is the example for you. How do you tell about your daily activities? Jadi ini udah ada contohnya ya, gimana cara kita menceritakan kegiatan kita sehari-hari. But now I'm going to tell you more. So, first thing what you do, you have to tell about who you are. Karena di sini adalah Mr. Miller sebagai English teacher, so he mentioned about his job. I'm an English teacher. And I have a big family. Kebetulan juga dia punya keluarga yang rame, banyak anggotanya. So I have a very busy daily routine. Jadi dia kegiatannya agak sibuk, sangat sibuk. Kegiatan sehari-hariannya dia sangat sibuk. Kalau misalkan teman-teman sepi keluarganya, only 3 members, ya udah I have apa ini? Tidak terlalu sibuk, quiet, not really quiet, langsung aja. So I have daily routine gitu aja. Kalau very busy, sangat sibuk, agak sibuk, ganti agak sibuk aja. Kalau agak sibuk, berarti very-nya diganti dengan quiet. Have a quiet daily routines. Agak sibuk. First, I get up every day at 6 o'clock. Jadi di mana kalau kita memulai dalam sebuah cerita itu diawali dengan kata first. Nah, kalau ada first, pasti dia ada akhiran finally. Nih, pasangannya. Ada first, ada finally. Karena awalnya seperti apa, akhirnya seperti apa. Dikasih. Biar kalau kita mau cerita, itu bisa terjadi secara berurutan. First, I get up every day at 6 o'clock. Setiap hari saya bangun jam 6 pagi. Get wash and dress, mandi dan juga ganti baju. And leave for work by 7:13. Dan juga pergi kerja jam 7.30. I get to school at 8 o'clock. Saya nyampe di sekolah jam 8. I prepare my lesson and then teach until noon. Saya menyiapkan pelajaran saya, kemudian mengajar sampai siang hari. The other teachers and I always eat lunch and talk together in the teacher's room. Saya dan guru yang lainnya selalu makan siang dan ngobrol bareng di ruangan guru. I teach again in the afternoon. Kemudian saya ngajar lagi di siang hari, siang menuju sore. And then I correct my students' homework and test. Kemudian saya mengoreksi pekerjaan rumah dan tes murid saya. After I get back home, setelah saya nyampe di rumah, I help my kids with their homework. Saya membantu anak saya untuk mengerjakan PR mereka. Okay, I have 3 kids in elementary school. Saya punya 3 anak SD. Their names are Matthew, John, and Susie. Namanya John, Matthew, sama Susie. Then I do some exercise. Kemudian saya berolahraga, eat dinner with my family, makan malam dengan keluarga, and watch TV before I go to bed. Dan nonton TV sebelum saya bersiap-siap ke tempat tidur. At about 10 o'clock, sekitar jam 10. We love to watch travel shows. Kita suka menonton pertunjukan travel. Finally, I read in bed. Akhirnya, saya membaca buku di atas kasur for a few minutes untuk beberapa menit before I fall asleep, sebelum saya ketiduran. Jadi fall asleep itu tertidur, oversleep kesiangan, ya. Fall asleep ketiduran boleh atau tertidur juga boleh. Nah, if we would like to tell about some of the story, of course we need some of the conjunction. Pasti kita butuh yang namanya conjunction alias kata hubung. Nah, kata hubung yang dipakai di sini ada and, ada so, terus first juga termasuk, and ada lagi then, and then, after, terus then, dan finally, ini adalah yang dinamakan dengan conjunction alias kata penghubung, di mana fungsi dari conjunction itu digunakan untuk menghubungkan kata dengan kata, kalimat dengan kalimat, paragraf dengan paragraf. Nah, macam-macam conjunction itu ada 3, teman-teman. Wait. Oke. Jadi, macam-macam conjunction itu ada 3. Wait. Nah, ini gambarnya. Yang pertama ada coordinating conjunction, ada subordinating conjunction, sama correlative conjunction. Ini macam-macam conjunction yang sering banget kita pakai. Apa itu coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunction itu adalah conjunction alias kata penghubung yang digunakan untuk menghubungkan 2 kata yang berbeda, kalimat yang berbeda, dan lain sebagainya. Oke, nah contoh dari coordinating conjunction itu ada for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Oke, for karena, for itu artinya karena. Jadi nggak hanya because, tapi teman-teman juga boleh pakai for, and, dan, nor, keduanya tidak, but, tetapi, or, atau, yet, namun, so, sehingga. I choose that car as a birthday gift for my son. Jadi saya memilih mobil itu sebagai hadiah ulang tahun kepada, oh yang ini for artinya untuk anak saya. Rambo and Charlie are good soldiers. Jadi Rambo sama Charlie itu adalah tentara yang baik. Angela is good at singing but poor at dancing. Jadi Angela itu jago nyanyi tapi nggak bisa dansa, nggak bisa joget. Jadi yang sebelum dan sesudah conjunction itu pasti dia setara. Ini nama orang, di sini juga nama orang. Good at singing, poor at dancing. Berarti dia sama-sama ngomongin tentang keahlian. The theme of the next party is yet to decide. Yet itu belum. Nah, belum diputuskan. Oke. Tapi yet sendiri juga namun artinya juga ada. I eat yet he is a doctor. Yes, he is smoker. Dia seorang dokter, namun dia juga seorang perokok juga bisa. Next, kalau subordinating conjunction itu adalah conjunction yang biasanya bisa diletakkan di awal kalimat. Contohnya us, after, before, even, then, atau that. Because of the non-stop rain, we had to cancel our trip. Karena hujan yang nggak berhenti-henti, kita harus membatalkan perjalanan kita. The stadium was looking like garbage after the match had finished. The stadium terlihat seperti sampah setelah pertandingan itu selesai. Nah, ini ada before, after, when, where, dan lain sebagainya. Kalau correlative conjunction itu adalah conjunction yang selalu berpasangan. Jadi dia nggak bisa berdiri sendiri. Not only, itu pasangannya adalah but also. Tidak hanya, tapi juga. Not only, ya, she became a topper not only in a district but also in a state. Dia nggak hanya menjadi juara di kabupaten, tapi juga di negara. They can have either, sorry, di sini ada either, pasangannya akan selalu dengan or, yang artinya salah satu. They can have either whiskey or wine at the party. Okay, they can have either whiskey or wine at the party. Jadi nanti kalau di pesta dia bisa minum salah satu dari whiskey atau wine. Salah satu ya, either or. Kalau both, keduanya itu pasti ada and. Oke, both pasangannya sama and. Both my brother and I are gamers. Kalau both itu, maka kata kerjanya ini, kata bantunya atau kata kerjanya itu dihitung dua orang, termasuk they. Makanya dia pakainya are. My brother and I are gamers. Neither the shopkeeper, not my friend, has this game set. Neither. Kalau neither itu pasangannya sama nor, yang artinya keduanya enggak, sama-sama tidak. Nah, kalau ada neither sama nor, maka kata kerjanya mengikuti subjek yang paling akhir. My friend satu orang, makanya dia pakai has. Kalau have kan berarti the shopkeeper sama my friend. No. Oke, karena di sini tadi artinya adalah tidak keduanya, jadi dia ngikutin yang subjek yang paling terakhir. My friend has this game set. Jadi nggak si penjaga toko, temanku juga belum punya set game yang seperti ini. Nah, ini yang biasanya akan teman-teman pakai ketika teman-teman cerita. Oke. Then, now it's time for us to tell about our daily routine. Karena tadi tugasnya adalah digunakan untuk menceritakan kegiatan sehari-hari. Okay, it means that now I would like to break your room. Kita break room, kita kembali ke breakout room. What should you do? Teman-teman, you have to tell about your weekday routine. Kegiatan yang teman-teman lakukan di hari Senin sampai hari Jumat. Kemudian weekend routine, Sabtu sama Minggu. It means 2 daily routine, weekday and weekend daily routine. Because I'm sure that you have a different some daily routine in it. Karena kan kalau weekday kita kerja, weekend kita nggak kerja, otomatis kita punya daily routine yang berbeda. Nah, this one. Okay. Next, after you finish, nanti kalau teman-teman dalam satu room sudah selesai semuanya menceritakan weekend sama weekday, you may continue for this one. Talk about daily routine. Bisa dilanjut dengan pertanyaan ini. If you do know, what do you want to talk? Kalau teman-teman nggak tahu, mau ngomongin tentang apa? So, I would like to break the room. It belongs to 4 member each room. 4 orang di setiap roomnya, karena kan kita presentasi cerita nih. Oke. Okay. First, you may tell about your weekday dulu ya. Weekday, kalau udah selesai weekday, baru weekendnya. Let's go.